In this picture, there are 6 charcoal grills hidden. The new generation of mobile barbecue grills, packed in a durable carrier bag and made of robust stainless steel. The grill is light, compact and ready to use in less than a minute. All accessories, including the sturdy charcoal bag, fit inside the grill for easy transport and storage. The height adjustable grate guarantees the right grilling temperature. Everything is ready for the perfect grilling experience. The grill is ideal for trips, leisure and on the road. BBQ Box, the new mobile stainless steel charcoal grill to go, from Esbit.